Good morning. Our paper is a novel method of digital watermarking for eye authentication. Digital image watermarking is a fascinating research field because it shields the multimedia information from unauthorized access. Digital watermarking techniques are used to protect the electronic media against the illegal flow in the shape of bitmaps, sound, and movies. These days, many of those pictures what we can see on internet are not watermarked. It gets quite simple for anybody to download those pictures and change them, which might cause the lack of founders right over their pictures. Due to the development in computer networks, digital data can be easily copied, altered, and distributed in an illegal manner. In order to provide the authenticity to multimedia data techniques, in order to provide the authenticity to multimedia data techniques like encryption, steganography, and watermarking is used. Digital watermarking maybe we can define it as a activity of hiding messages, articles, marks, or logo into an image or an audio record or a video or some other. Watermarking can be seen anywhere. It may be seen in the example of that one is the picture being published on a money note. Watermarking may be practical to physical things also. For example, we can include it in a material, garment tag, and merchandise packaging also. We can include it. Steganography, or we can call it as key writing. It could be seen in ancient Indian literature. Example, Kautilya's Ardhasastra and Vatsayana's Kama Sutra. There we can see that steganography. Steganography and watermarking methods both utilize methods for covert communication. But steganography technique is not that much robust when we compare with watermarking. In steganography, concealed message and showing message does not have any connection at all. Watermark strategy helps an individual to maintain the secret or privacy of their media. There could be cryptography using watermarking. There is a combination of these two. So this will provide a security of one individual's data. While using watermarking procedure, we get high security and greater robustness. Yeah, our proposed watermarking methods. Actually, in a simple hybrid domain watermarking technique, information can be embedded in server images. This technique increases host picture ability and it divides the watermark into two components. So because of this one, because we are dividing a watermark into two components, this will provide the enhanced security. And there could be a updated version of hybrid technique. So where we can use random permutations of the watermark. So by using this one, random permutations of watermark will boost up the robustness what offered by a simple hybrid technique. Here we are boost up the robustness. So this is used for archiving the image. And there could be another variation of that one by using the modified hybrid scheme which will protect the electronic content by using wavelet transforms. Uh, where we can use DWT and SVD, discrete wavelet transform and discrete cosine transform. So in which server image is broken up into subbands like L dot L, H dot L, H dot H, L dot H. This hybrid scheme gives greater quality and robustness against various attacks. But present watermarking algorithms are somewhat less powerful to withstand from geometric attacks. So here we propose it means they developed another method, that is a multi watermarking algorithm. It is used for saving the medical pictures. It depends on dual tree complex wavelet transform. and let us discuss how do we embed a watermark in the image. First of all, we have to, after selecting an image, we have to select a Y element for choosing the watermark. Then after that, we have to implement a discrete cosine transform on this Y part of the picture. After doing this, we have to implement 3 degrees of different wavelet transforms. At last, the picture is decomposed with a singular value decomposition system. Then after that we have to choose the watermark which could be inserted into the picture. Singular value decomposition is put over this watermark. Then after that we have to put a inverse SVD on this resulting picture. Then after that again we have to apply this the 3-degree inverse DWT. Finally we have to apply discrete cosine transform. And then how do we extract that information from a watermarked picture? First of all, we have to take the 2D watermarked picture. Afterwards, we have to perform a color space conversion. Means we have to convert it from RGB to YCBCR color space. Then after that, we have to choose the Y element to extract the watermark. Then after that, we have to apply discrete cosine transform on this Y part of the picture. After doing this, again we have to perform 3 degrees of different wavelet transforms. Again we have to implement it. And then during this stage again we have to put a single value decomposition on the picture. And then after putting this SVD, then that value of the image is shifted from one value to another value, so that when it is shifted from one value to another value, we can retrieve the original image or we can retrieve the content from the image. The conclusion about our research paper is actually we analyzed different watermarking methods. Using this analysis, it is concluded that discrete wavelet transform is a high quality and powerful procedure for image watermarking. Robustness, imperceptibility, and capability are vital prerequisites for designing efficient watermarking system. But it is impossible to attain all of these three concurrently. And the better thing is what the future work of our research is what, by combining various techniques in various domains, if we could apply, if we could attain these three in a single image, it could be a good one. Thank you.